This question is from the Singapore Mathematical Olympiad, Senior Section, 2020, question 21. Find the smallest positive integer that is greater than the value of square root 7 plus square root 5 raised to the power of 4. Let's first expand the expression. Square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 is equal to the square of square root 7 plus square root 5 squared. Now, square root 7 plus square root 5 squared is 7 plus 5 plus 2 times square root 35. That gives 12 plus 2 square root 35. Next, we get 144 plus 4 times 35 plus 48 square root 35. That gives 284 plus 48 square root 35. Let's understand how to estimate expressions like square root of 35. Suppose a is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 0. Then square root of a squared plus b is less than square root of a squared plus b divided by 2a squared. This is equal to square root of a plus b over 2a squared, which becomes the absolute value of a plus b over 2a. Hence, square root of a squared plus b is approximately a plus b over 2a if b over 2a squared is close to 0. This approximation is useful when a is large compared to b and gives us a simple but accurate way to estimate square roots. Now, square root of 35 is equal to square root of 36 minus 1, which is approximately 6 minus 1 over 12. That means 48 square root 35 is less than 48 times 6 minus 1 over 12, which is 288 minus 4 equal to 284. So the full expression is less than 284 plus 284, which equals 568. Therefore, square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 is less than 568. This means the smallest integer that is greater than it must be at most 568. Let's now try a more elegant method using conjugates. Let's now consider the sum of square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 plus square root 7 minus square root 5 to the power of 4. We expand both using the binomial expansion. First, square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 expands to then, square root 7 minus square root 5 to the power of 4 expands to. When we add the two expressions, the irrational terms cancel out, leaving only the rational terms. So we get 2 times square root 7 to the power of 4 plus 6 times square root 7 squared times square root 5 squared plus square root 5 to the power of 4. This becomes 2 times 49 plus 6 times 35 plus 25, which equals 2 times 284, or 568. Now, square root 7 minus square root 5 is clearly between 0 and 1, so its fourth power is also less than 1. That means square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 is greater than 568 minus 1 and less than 568. In other words, it lies strictly between 567 and 568. The smallest positive integer, greater than square root 7 plus square root 5 to the power of 4 is 568. If you enjoyed this problem and the two solution methods, do subscribe to the channel and share this with your math friends. See you in the next video.